write my own checks like I write what I sing. Yeah. Stop watching my neck, it's flossy. Make big deposits, my gloss is popping. You like my hair, so thanks. Just go, I see it, I like it, I want it.
Hi, my little beauties. So today I'm going to be filming a 7 Rings inspired makeup tutorial. Ariana Grande recently released the song and music video, and it's a bop. So I thought I'd do some makeup inspired by it. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so I'm starting off by doing my eyebrows, and I'm just brushing them up like so. And I've been doing my eyebrows a lot differently recently. I'm also breaking out. This is just great up close. Then underlining them. I'm literally shaking right now. Why? And then I just brush it up. So then I will just go in and make like hair-like strokes. I don't know. Is this in focus? I don't know anymore. We just making hair-like strokes. I don't know. Normally I would set it with gel, but I'm at my dad's house and I forgot to bring eyebrow gel, and I'm really sad about it. So yeah, this is just how the eyebrow looks, and I'm gonna go and do this one. So yeah. Okay, so I did clean up under my eyebrows, but now I'm going in with this NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lid as my primer. Okay, and then I forgot, but I'm gonna go in with some tape because Ariana has some very sharp wings, so we're just gonna apply some tape. Okay, so this is the picture I'm gonna be going off of. It just looks like she has like light pink shimmery eyeshadow on, and not even a wing. It looks like it was made with black eyeshadow, so yeah. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna go into the James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm gonna start by going in with the shade Pinkity Drinkity and just putting that in my crease. Be mixing the shade Sister and Literally. So I also haven't been on YouTube for a while. My last video was my what I got for Christmas, and that's because my computer broke and it took like a month to fix. And I also filmed a ton of videos and it was on my computer, but we had to erase everything on my computer to start getting it to semi-work. So all my videos I filmed are gone. So yeah, we're just really thriving right now. I also have finals this week and I should probably be studying, but instead I'm filming a video, so yeah. Then I'm taking a little bit of Skip and Love That. I actually don't know which one's which, but I know those are the names. I'm going to put that on the outer B. And I'm kind of making it into my crease actually. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with this Stila Stay All Day liquid liner, and I'm just going to line my eyes with that. I'm not going to make a wing because in the picture it looks like she did a wing with like black eyeshadow. So yeah, because it looks a lot softer, if that makes sense. My liner turned out thick, like always, so it's fine. Okay, I actually decided I'm just going to make the wing with this because I already kind of up. So I'm just going to use this to make a wing. So then for primer, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base Primer. Apply that to my face. And then I'm also going to go in with this NYX First Base little primer spray and just spray my face with that. I didn't bring setting spray to my dad's house. my god. I'm taking the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Plus foundation and I'm just going to apply that to my face. Then for concealer, I'm just going to go in with the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. And then I'm going in with this Mineral Fusion foundation powder and just setting my face with that. Then to contour, I'm going into my Anastasia contour kit and I'm taking this shade and I'm just lightly contouring my cheekbones. And then I'm just going to lightly contour my nose. And by lightly, I don't know how lightly that will turn out. Then for bronzer, I'm going into this Hourglass Ambient Lighting powder in a Radiant Bronze Light. And I'm just bronzing my face with that because Ariana is a bronze goddess. And then for blush, I'm just going to go into this Tarte blush in Blissful. And then I'm mixing the two colors I mixed earlier. I don't remember the names. And I'm just applying those. Then I'm taking Becca Champagne Pop and just highlighting my face with that. Okay. I'm going to put on the Huda Beauty Sasha lashes, but I'm also going to try and do and write like 7 rings on my cheek, which I'm going to do that off camera because I don't know how well that's going to go and I might need to wipe it off and I'm really scared, but yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It didn't completely fail, which I'm shocked about, but yeah. Okay, for lips, I think I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lip in the shade Lover.